Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to fix no sound problem in Windows 10. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Windows. Now you can see here is cross mode on my speakers. Now to fix this, just click on this and you can see this is muted. And you can see here is cross. Just click on this and you can see this is unmuted. And this may work on some cases. Now, if this doesn't work, first of all go to Start and search for Troubleshooter. You can see here is Troubleshoot setting. Click on this and after that you'll find here many options to troubleshoot. Over here find the audio icon. Here you can see playing audio. Just click on this and click on this Run the Troubleshooter. And you can see our Windows is automatically detecting our problem on audio and will suggest us the ways to fix it. Now we can see it's asking ways to troubleshoot. Here's my mic, speaker, and here is default speaker. I'll check this and click on this next. And you can see turn off sound effects and enhancement. I'll click on this no, but if there is any problem on yours, you can just apply and fix your audio problems. So in this way, we can solve audio problem in Windows 10. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.